Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset OPPO A5x. Alright, so we have two methods how we can reset this device. Let me show you both of them. So the first and the most common method is simply through the settings. So let's open up settings, now scroll down, find system and update, and now click on backup and reset. And now we are interested in the last option, reset phone. Simply click on that, but although we can also in here reset network and Bluetooth settings, and we can also reset all settings by simply clicking on them, then drawing the lock screen pattern and then clicking the reset button. But we are interested in the last option, erase all data. Simply click on that now and confirm by drawing your screen lock pattern. If you do everything properly, your device will be turned off, then turned on again, and the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. Also, you need to remember that all of your data will be permanently lost from your device. So for example, before resetting, you can create a backup, so you will be able to restore your data in the future. If you don't know how to create such a backup, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you how to do it step by step. Now let's go into the second method. It's through the recovery mode. And to do it, we need to first power off our device. So let's hold the power button to launch the power menu. And from here, let's click on the power off. Simply drag this white ball and put it on power off. Now release your finger. Within a second, the device will be turned off. You can see that the OPPO logo disappeared from the screen. And now, to enter the recovery mode, we need to use the two button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume down button at the same time until the OPPO logo appears. So hold both of the buttons. And when the OPPO logo appears, release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume down. It's going to take a few seconds, so keep holding volume down and be patient. Alright, now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, we can use volume keys and power key to confirm the selected option, but we can also use our fingers, as you can see, that both options work. And now we want to select format data. Now we need to type this code using our keyboard to confirm. Now click on format. Now the process has started, so let's simply wait until everything is finished. Alright, data formatted, click on OK. And now our device has been successfully resetted, and now it's going to turn on again automatically. Now we can see that the OPPO logo appeared right now on the screen, and within a second, the next thing we need to do is to simply set up our device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.